Hello, today we're going to see this problem that is part of the module 4.4.2 in our textbook. And if you look at that, it's basically about properties of complex numbers. And what we are going to do is we're just going to practice those properties. So we just need to do a computation multiplying u times v conjugate and divided by the sum of u conjugate plus v. And we're going to investigate among these options which one is a solution. Okay, so we have here what are our values of u and v. So u v conjugate will be 3 minus 2i times the conjugate of v. So the conjugate of v is whatever the sign is in front of I need to switch it. So that will be minus 1 minus I. And all of this is divided by the sum of u conjugate, so that will be 3 plus 2i plus v, which is minus 1 plus I. So let's do the denominator first. The denominator will give me 2 plus 3i. And in the numerator, we're going to do, so let's see, 3 times negative 1, that gives me negative 3. And then when I multiply the i's, I get a real number, so that's going to be minus times minus is plus, but then it's minus because I squared is negative 1, and then 2. Okay, so what is the part that is the imaginary part? So let's factor it out. So there is going to be an I that multiplies, so I get an I by multiplying these two, so that's negative 3. And the other one by multiplying these two, which is plus 2. Okay, so that gives me negative 5 minus I divided by 2 plus 3i. And again, one of our key tools is I want to multiply times the conjugate of this in the top and bottom, so I can get a division by a real number. So I'm going to multiply this times 2 minus 3i and then 2 minus 3i, so I don't alter what we have. Okay, so let's see, what do I get? This gives me the module or the magnitude of this square, so that's going to be 4 plus 9. And then in the top I need to do again the multiplication, so that's negative 5, and then plus 3, and then again we're going to have, this is the real part and the imaginary part is going to be this with this, so positive 15, and then this and this, which is negative 2. Let me just check that everything is minus 3. Minus 5 minus I. Yeah, I did something weird here. So let's see. Oh yeah, these two should be multiplied. So that's negative 10. So negative 10, and then minus times minus is plus, but I squared is negative 1, and then should be negative 3. Yep. Okay, great. So let's see, this is negative 13, and then plus 13i divided by 13. Oh, that simplifies nicely because that gives me negative 1 plus I. And that's it. If you look at the options that we have there for the answers, you see that the first option is that. So the answer is option A. And that's it.